All right then, hello friends and followers and Drake aficionados. Well, here's the latest early model R4C PTO all put back together. And on this one, I did read that this grease is safe for a PTO or plastic gear. So again, I'll reiterate, I did pick up this stuff off of eBay, which we'll see how it works out. It's supposedly good for plastic gears and printers, so I'm thinking it's going to be good for the nylon or plastic gears in this PTO. So it's in here. I did put some grease where the gears intersect on the, I guess, the washer surfaces, and I did put the snap ring in kind of hard. It's not wobbly at all. This thing is really cruising. So I straightened up this axle, straightened that one up. They weren't really straight, but now that they're straight, there's no wobbling. Pretty happy with this thing. I guess I'll leave it the way it is and put it back on the radio and see if the radio works. And of course, you want to be able to go through the band quickly. This seems like you can do that without any hassle at all. It's really quiet. Might be the most solid PTO I have yet around here. Drake PTO or VFO. Anyway, I'm happy with this one. It doesn't even wobble, so wow. Maybe I got to rebuild the rest of them now with this this grease. I don't want to take them all back out though. It's too hard. Anyway, this seems to be the magic elixir for these PTOs, right? This seems like it's it. So buy this stuff on eBay and drake it on out. Yeah, this thing is really nice. It's quiet. Wow. First one I've ever put together that works right. So, how happy am I? Well, it took a lot of time, but if this helps somebody else figure out their Drake PTO, then all for it. I'm not sure these radios are even going to be paired anymore because they're old radios, but the more of these I fix, the easier it gets and the faster I get fixing them and the better they come out. So, yeah, it's been some fun. It's something unlike software where you can just do it, put it together, and it just works, and you know it's a good job because it feels good. So that's how it is. Yeah, this is really nice. It's really nice. Really, really nice. And those little tensioners aren't waggling too much, so. And of course I soldered on the cable here. The grounding cable, like Drake says to do, way back when Drake was still around, so. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Anyway, it seems like at least I took this one apart, and I'm not sure if it was molested or not. This one seemed pretty nice and tight, like it wasn't pulled apart too many times. So yeah, there were two washers right down in there, so there are two washers in there. There's like a thin one, and on this one I found the thin one was actually facing this gear, so the thin washer first, then the thick one, and then here inside this disc here you can see a washer way down in there. That's a thick one, and that went on. That one's hard to get on, but I guess it just fits, so that was on there, and it all went together. The front disc isn't loose yet. Anyway, this thing had a bad life because if you look at the back of this thing, it's really scratched up. There's a part of this thing that's really hammered, so it has been scraping in there for a long time, I guess. But that's how it is when you're a PTO. Yeah, you can see where it's really damaged there and scraped, but I'm not going to bother with that. I can't fix it, so Just let it go. All right, well, I guess I will end this video wishing you all a happy new year. Do take care and God bless.